Today we're going to be talking more about note values. So note values are important because even if you know how to play the correct note at the correct time, if you don't know how long to hold that note for, then you still can't really read music, right? So that's where this chart is super helpful. So a whole note, just like it says, is indicated with just an open circle. So it's a circle, it's not filled in, it's open in the middle, and that lasts for 4 beats or the entire duration of the measure, right? So sometimes you might see something written in, let's say, 3/4 or 6/8, and they're not going to put in multiple whole notes. If it's just one whole note or a whole note rest, then that's just what it's going to be. They're not going to put multiple. So even though it says 4 beats, just keep that in mind. Next, we have a half note. This is what a half note looks like. It's got the stem at the top and then the note head, which is the circle piece. When it's not filled in, it's called a half note and it's worth 2 beats. Next note down is a quarter note. Same exact symbol, except the head of the note is filled in. That only lasts for 1 beat, right? And if you notice, we have a whole note, lasts for 4 beats. We chop that in half. We have a half note, which lasts for 2 beats. We chop that in half. We now have a quarter note, which lasts 1 beat, right? Then we chop the quarter note in half. We have an eighth note. And this is the eighth note. It's got the head note, it's got the stem, and then it has the flag hanging off. And just like the patterns we've already seen here before, that only lasts for half a beat, right? You can also have jointed eighth notes. So each one of these would be an eighth of a beat. 2 of these together, you got your 1 beat, right? So it's just 2 of these eighth notes, but they're together. So it would be for 1 beat. It's just 2 eighth notes being combined. 16th notes and jointed 16th, we're not going to talk about today. That's a little bit advanced. So we'll just be talking about the whole note up until the jointed eighth notes is what we'll be going over today, figuring out how to count those and so forth.